This is Vincent from EV Europe again. This time I would like to show you a very nice feature which we have standardly available in our EV hypE kits. It's a Bluetooth app which makes a connection to the BMS system and which will show you very useful data of your BMS system. To start with, you need to download the app. It's available in the Google Play Store or in the Apple iStore. It's called BMS EVG UI. You can simply download it and install it on your cell phone or on your tablet, anything that makes a Bluetooth connection. So after the installation, you will have a screen that will look like this. However, this is only the demo screen, so we need to make a connection. To do this, you push the menu button and then you go to the settings menu. The setting menu will look like this. On the top, you see the connection type. You have to select the Bluetooth Smart connection here. So now you are ready to make the connection to your system. To do this, you push the manual connect button. Then, in my case, a list will show up with many Bluetooth devices which are in our workshop, but in your case it will be only one. You select it and then you can select the auto connection, so it will do a connection automatically the next time. So now you can return to your main screen and you will see the actual data of your battery system. And if you slide the screen, you will also see some more battery data, like the temperature, like the voltage, the total voltage of your battery, the current draw in watt and amps, and if you have a speed sensor connected, we will tell you more about it in a later episode. You can also see your watt per kilometer and the actual range you have left. However, there's also more useful information about your batteries available. If you click on the menu again, you can go to battery status. At the battery status, you have an overview of all your battery parameters with on the bottom the minimum, maximum and average voltage of all of your cells in your battery system. And then there's also the BMS status menu. This is very useful if you are troubleshooting. Here it will show all the live data, actual errors that are present at the BMS system. For more information, you can also click on the status, like for example on this battery status. There also is an events log available. This will show you some of the latest events which have occurred on your BMS system. This you can find at the events log section. It will look like this. It's quite important that you make sure the date and time of your BMS are set up correctly, so this will give you an actual and good overview of the latest events. So, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please keep following us for more information about our EV hypE kit. Next time we'll explain you all about our motor software.